Titanic, go! Titanic stands tonight. Titanic stands. Titanic stands. Titanic sings tonight, yeah, baby. Okay, so today in my video, I'm gonna show you something I created, which is Play-Doh. So I had to put it in this container, and this video is gonna be really short. Once again, Instagram is Little Miss Capricorn 2006. My nucleus, They.luv.rmaidrea. I'll link it down in the description box. And I'll link the ingredients to make this. So I made Play-Doh, and I'll link the ingredients, how to make it. But I'll link it down below how to make this Play-Doh. But it's so fun to play with, and it's like a giant Play-Doh sketch ball. The next thing I'm gonna make is oobleck. So
oobleck Play-Doh.
It's so fun to play with. I love my Play-Doh. And make it, and I'll link down in the box below. And love my videos because I love making Play-Doh and playing with it. It's so gooey and stuff. I make slime and oobleck knits. So, goodbye. You know just what to say. Titanic sings tonight. Goodbye, guys.